guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. I created hand knitting style back in 2016, and BeCozi YouTube channel has almost 300 video tutorials. So subscribe and watch our new videos. So we're using olive and oatmeal BeCozi chunky chenille today. And we will be making this cutest baby Yoda. So here I have two of them here, and you will need 1.5 skein of olive color and about 1 skein of oatmeal. So you can make it smaller if you start with smaller stitches. You can make it bigger if you start with more stitches. But here we are, cutest baby Yoda. Let's get started.